I am a policeman. Perhaps some of you at one time or the other would have come in contact with me. My job starts from 8 in the morning, and I do not know when I get the relief. My work, in all probability, extends even for days together. We are two brothers. One looks after the law and order, and another the traffic. Though we have been asked to work in different fields, the division is only for a short period, and there is the possibility of exchange of duties amongst us. Next para. In olden days, people considered the role of police as only the administrator of law and order, and in that connection were afraid of approaching us, in spite of the fact that we are here only to serve them. We have not been considered due to suspicion and our methods of investigation, but with the exchange in the attitude of the police, it is changed.